Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve the box synced from 𝒄𝒊𝒔. So let's begin. Task 1. What is the default port for 𝒐𝒊𝒕? To answer this question we just need to insert on Google default port 𝒐𝒊𝒕, and here we have 873 and this is our answer. Task 2. How many TCP ports are open on the remote host? To know this, we just need to perform a nmap scan. So nmap-a, and this switch is used to perform an aggressive scan. This switch will basically tell us the version, the OS and other information. Then we can use the switch -p-, and this switch will scan all ports, and the switch T4, and this switch will help our scan be a little bit faster. And then we just need to copy our IP address to the terminal. So with our scan we can see that there is one port opened. So our answer is 1. Task 3. What is the protocol version used by 𝒐𝒊𝒔 on the remote machine? If you go to our nmap scan, you can see that the protocol version is 31. Task 4. What is the most common command name on Linux to interact with 𝒐𝒊𝒔? To know this, I had to do a little bit of research, and what I found is that the command is 𝒐𝒊𝒔. 𝒐𝒊𝒔 stands for remote sync, and it's used to transfer and synchronize files between devices and remote Linux servers. So, task 5. What credentials do you have to pass to 𝒐𝒊𝒔 in order to use anonymous authentication? So I did a little bit of research about this, and on forums like this one for instance, I could see that there is no need for a password when we do anonymous authentication. So the answer to this question is none. Task 6. What is the option to only list shares and files on 𝒐𝒊𝒔? No need to include the leading characters. Okay, to know this, we just need to insert on our terminal the command 𝒐𝒊𝒔, click enter and see if we can find the answer to this question. Okay, here it is. Our answer is list only, and as you can see this will list the files. Okay, now that we have all this information we can use it to list the files. Remember that the command is 𝒐𝒊𝒔, then we want to list shares and files on 𝒐𝒊𝒔, so we can use this switch to do that. -- list only, and now we want to insert our IP address. And we need to use these two commas because we are connecting to a 𝒐𝒊𝒔 daemon and not to a remote shell. Okay, so we need to use these two commas, otherwise it will not work. Then you click enter. So here we have a share called public, and we want to see what's inside of that share. So to do that, we just need to run the command once again 𝒐𝒊𝒔. Then we don't want to list anything because we already did that. So we just need to insert the IP address, then the two commas, and what we are going to do is to insert the name of our share, public, and then we click enter and see what's inside of public. You can see all of these switches if you run the command 𝒐𝒊𝒔, and here we have, now we can see that we have our flag inside of public and we just need to download it. To do that, we just need to insert the same command that we did above, like this, but this time we just need to insert the name of our file that we want to download. flag.txt. I will name it flag1.txt. So the contents of this file will be downloaded to this file, okay? So you click enter and we should have our flag on our current directory. So alias, and here we have our flag. So we just need to open the file with cat flag1.txt, and as you can see we could retrieve our flag. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, please leave those questions in the commentary section down below. Have a nice day and bye bye!